Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so hello guys. On this occasion, I would like to give you a tutorial on how to convert um, binary to IP. So before I make how to make an IP to binary, so now it's binary to IP. So here you can see we have the binary octet numbers, but we don't know what IP is this. So here I have a table that you can make it yourself, but I use FigJam to make it because it's easier and I like the UI. And then you can actually use any paper and a pen to calculate this up. But now the tools I'm using are two. It is PicJam for the table, and then I also have a calculator. Okay, so maybe okay, this is easier, I guess. Wait. Okay, so this one is gonna be easy. So now how do I make this up? So first we have the first IP octet. So remember IP address have four octet. And yeah, we have the first decimal. So we will add to this 11. Then will be all zero, zero. Okay, so what's this? How do we make this? So first, if 128, then it's 128 because it's 1. But if it's 0, then we'll just have to ignore it. But if it's 128, we need to add it. So example, 128. Okay, now we're at 128. And then we have 64. So 128 plus 64 plus 64, 192. So it's 192 because 128 plus 64. So this will be all zero. So the first one we have is 192. Okay, now we have the second binary. So it is 1, 0, 1, 0, and then 1, and then 0, 0, 0. So how do we make this? So first we have 121, so it's 121. And then we have 64, but it's 0, so it's still 121. And then we have 32, and then because it's 1, so 128 plus 32. So 128 plus 32. It's 160. 160. Okay, now 160, but it's 0, so we're gonna keep 160. And then 160, and then it's 1, so it's 168. And this is all be 0. So it is 168. Okay, see? Can you see the pattern? Yeah, it's actually really easy. So now we have the third, we have the third octet. So the third octet is 000. So this is 000, and then 1, 1, 1, and then 1. And now how do we make this? So it's 128. So it's 0 because it doesn't have 1 or 0 here. So and then we have 16. So 16 is 1. So we have 16. And then 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. And then 24 plus 4, it's 28. And then 28 plus 2, it is 30. So now the third octet is 30. So now we have 192, 192, 168, and then 30. And now for the last one, the last octet is this one. So 0, 0, 0, 0, then 10, then 11. Okay, so what's this one? First we have 0, and then next is 0, 0, 0, and then now we have 8, Then 8 plus 0, so it's still 8. Then 8 plus 2, and then it's 8. I mean, it is 10. But now we have 11 here, I forgot. So it's 11. Okay, so now we have 11. So this is the IP number. So the IP here is 192, 168, then 130, and 11. Okay, so now we will test for the fast pace. So this is, I will try to fast pace this. Um, so I will try another. What if it's okay, like this? I will try it. Wait, so it's 0, 0, 0, and 1 it is 16, and 16 plus 8 it is 24, and then for this one it is 28, it's 28, this one is 29. So for the number is 29. So that is basically how to make binary to decimal or binary to IP. So you can implement it to your network topology because it's actually important to make a binary to a decimal. So maybe that's all. I'm so sorry if I have any mistakes. The last I say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.